This episode we catch a big longtail tuna while sailing and show you how to make the most delicious, simple, easy poke bowls with your catch. We're currently anchored in Tangalooma in Moreton Bay, and there couldn't be a better setting to show you our favourite dish we love to eat while sailing.
Right, well we caught an epic tuna yesterday off Giselle. I'm absolutely pumped with it. Longtail tuna, I'm pretty sure.
Beautiful!
Yes, that's a beauty. The tuna was an absolute blessing. We caught it. There are no shops here where we are at the moment, so we're kind of relying on what we catch, and it was an absolute beauty. Longtail tuna in Moreton Bay here, so absolutely pumped with it. And just look at the meat. It looks, wow, oh yeah. That is some sexy looking tuna right there. So we're stoked, and what that means is it's poke time on the good ship Giselle. We're going to be making some poke, and I'll show you how we do it. Obviously the first step is the tuna. It's got to be sashimi grade, as they say, but rarely when you buy poke it would be sashimi grade. But this definitely is. We caught him yesterday. It's had enough time in the fridge to firm up beautifully. So then what I like to do is cut it into cubes, I guess, like smallish kind of chunks. Not too small. I want to be able to taste the tuna and get that kind of bitiness. I like it sort of like that. Kind of little chunks like that. Now, it's pretty simple. I use rice vinegar, a little splash of that, soy sauce, which we have in bulk on the boat. This just keeps getting filled up. Splash of that, sesame oil, nice coating of that, sesame seeds. You can put these on at the end, but I'll put them on now just because we're here. Sesame seeds. And I like to put a chili in as well to give it a little bit of kick, so I'll just get a little chili. Then mix it all around. Spoon will do it. And that is basically your fish part of the poke. And I'll put that in the fridge for half an hour or so to let all the flavors go through and for it to firm up and whatever. Oh yeah, oh, it smells so good.
Two great additions to poke are finely sliced green or spring onions and grated ginger. We've run out on board, but you might consider throwing these in too. Oh, and we sometimes add finely sliced nori seaweed to the mix as well.
And I will say at this point, if you're watching this and you're thinking, oh, I really want to eat some tuna, buy sustainable tuna. The tuna industry is absolutely messed up in so many ways. I've seen it with my own eyes. Sailing through the Marshall Islands, I've seen tuna boats the size of city blocks with 10 different huge boats, which are their kind of pilot boats that go out. They're using military level radar and bottom scan and sonar, and helicopters. Got literally helipads on top of these tuna boats that go out and spot the schools, and they just don't stand a chance. So our hunger for tuna is just totally unsustainable on this planet. So I'm not trying to encourage people to eat tuna, but what I'm trying to encourage you to do is either go out and catch one yourself, which is just so much more rewarding, so much better for the planet, or just think sustainable from a sustainable fishery. It doesn't have to be yellowfin tuna or bluefin tuna or anything. More sustainable tuna options are totally fine in this recipe. In fact, I'd say sometimes even better. So pick sustainable and just really keep an eye on how you get your fish, because we've got to take care of old Mother Sea, that's for sure. All right, that's going in the fridge. And then the idea is to garnish it with some tasty, fresh stuff. So we're using avocado and cucumber. Oh, well, first of all, this stuff is just absolute gold. Rice seasoning, just put a little bit of that on top. We bought this from a Japanese supermarket, and it is, oh, so good. This is Fran's idea I think it's fantastic. She thinks we should put some pear on it. Fran's got a real sweet tooth, so she always adds a little sweet element to everything she cooks. And it's something that I don't have the sweet tooth, so I don't really think about it, but it's always amazing, her ideas and suggestions. Ahi. Tuna. And you just basically put it on.
I can smell from here. It's so good. Wow, this looks amazing.
In fact, I'm going to put even more. There we go, that looks pretty good.
Yum, yum.
For you, Fran, my dear.
Thank you. Wow, look at this.
Hungry, Fran?
Mama, let's go. I wanna eat. Oh. Well done, my love. Absolutely delicious.
Oh,
Went well,
it's
huh?
so good. Wow.
So good.
Oh,
I could eat this
every
every day.